5 mile complete.
All right, time to go out for that run. The ASICS Novablast.
All right, out the gate. Shoes feel pretty good. I've been running on some 300 plus mile shoes, so I appreciate the padding. Mile 1, 8-minute pace. Mile 2, 7:51. 5K, 7:55. Shoes feeling good. So it's mile 4, 7:35 a mile. 5 mile complete, 7:41. I think I got under 7 minutes a mile for my last mile. I'll check here in just a second. Alright, so in summary, ASICS Novablast 4. I found the shoe comfortable. I could go fast when I needed to. Here's my splits. So 7:59, 7:52, 7:51, 7:35, 7:04. Y'all have a good day.